Okay, so we are going to look at this problem: merge two 2D arrays by subbing their values. Okay, in this we are given two arrays nums1 and nums2, which consist of another which consists of items that are actually an array. So this is the key and this is the value. What we have to do is we have to merge nums1 and nums2 such that if the key exists in both the array, then we should sum their values. Otherwise, just add that element in the output array. And we also have to ensure that the output array should be sorted in ascending order by the key. Okay, so here my approach would be to have a lookup object that would well, first we would run a for loop on this array and create a lookup object, its key and the value. Then we would run a for loop on this nums2 array and then check whether the key exists in our lookup object. If it exists, then we would just add the previous value with the new value so that we will get the merged array. And also we would have to output this array we would have to output this object into an array in a sorted manner. Okay, and now if we use the JavaScript object, we know that the key is always in the form of string, it is not a number. So over here I will be using the JavaScript's map function, map object. So constant lookup, it would be a map which consists of number as the key and number as its value, equal to new map number. Okay, now I will have to uh, run a for loop. So let i equal to 0, I less than nums1 dot length I plus plus. Okay, so first let's extract the items nums of 1 of I of 0. So this is our key, and const var is equal to nums1 of 1, and then we can directly add this over here because this is the first array, and your uh, the map would always be empty initially, so we have to always go and start adding this item. So we can directly, without any check, we can just say that lookup dot set its key and the value, because here it is mentioned that unique IDs, it consists of unique IDs. Okay, now we'll have to again look for the nums2 array. So for that I can use the same variable I less than nums2 dot length I plus plus. Okay, what is the issue here? Let me use some other variable. Okay, I'm not sure what is the issue here, but alright, let's just continue. Again, we will just extract this nums2 of j of 0. This is our key. Nums2 of j of 1. This is our value. Okay, and now we will have to go and check whether this key exists in our lookup array. So what we can do is we can say const v is equal to lookup dot get key. If it is present, then we use it, or if we use 0, and then what we can do is we can say lookup dot set our key and value plus value. So the older value, if it exists in the lookup array, and the new value, so we get an addition. So in case of, for example, for 1 over here, uh, our lookup map would already have 2 as its value. So this is going to get us the 2 from the lookup method. And in this array nums2, we are going to add 4 to it. So we will get 6 to it. Now what we need to do is we need to return an array. So we are going to use a spread operator to spread this. And then what you would do is you would sort it, and we would have to explicitly sort it. Why? Because we are using numbers over here. So in case of the key is 1 and the key is 11, I think 11 will come first and then 1 would follow, but we don't want like that. So we would have to say a of 0 minus b of 0. Okay, let us run this program and see what happens. Did I miss anything here? Expected and expected. For let j equal to 0, j is less than nums2 dot length. I am not able to understand what is the issue here. Nums2. It might be quite obvious, but I'm not able to. Let me just cut this and see what happens. Okay, and paste it. TS105 expected for let j equal to 0. J is less than. Let me rewrite this. I wasn't sure what was the issue, but all right. Let me run this now. Okay, our test cases are accepted. Let's submit this. Okay, so our solution is accepted.